Oh, well, let's have a quick recap of just some of the more strange things about foreign exchange, I guess. Forward rates, these are basically an agreed future rate, okay? And you can tailor them to your own amount and date, all right? And you just agree with the bank and you pay it, really. Futures contracts, they aren't tailored. These are standard amounts and they are at standard dates, so you can't tailor them, okay? They are market traded, so you buy and sell them as you go along, and you buy and sell them. It's basically a market traded forward rate, really, but you buy and sell them because they can be closed out and often are before expiry. Okay, so generally you don't have to keep them to the end. The disadvantage of them is it's a standard amount. The advantage of them, you don't have to wait to the end. You can just buy and sell if it's doing well or badly or whatever you think's happening. Okay, I want to do swaps. I don't mean swaps actually. I want to have a quick look at options. So options, basically, you get the option. You either stick with the forward rate, so you can either stick with the agreed rate or not, and therefore you can't lose. So what happens is, in the future, you decide, should I have stuck? Well, now you decide a future rate, you agree a future rate. Then in the future, you can either stick with that rate because it went in your favour, or if the rate moved against you, say, well, I don't want to stick with the rate. So you can stick with it or not, so basically you can't lose. That's the advantage, but therefore you need to pay a premium to allow this. And you need to pay this premium up front, okay? And the other bad thing about it is it's not available in all currencies. Okay, that's just a very, very straightforward, simple explanation of those three because it's revision. Obviously, if you need more, go back and have a look in the classroom.